Hey there, my name is David Duford at buylifeinsuranceforburial.com. We're on this YouTube channel. We help people like yourself learn more about life insurance and what your options for finding coverage are. So the purpose of this video is to give you some tips if you make a low income and are looking for affordable life insurance coverage. There's a couple of things to cover in this video, I think, that's worthy of mention, because people who have low income, maybe yourself or a loved one, might be retired, disabled, or just make a low income and don't make a lot of money at their current work. So what do we do for life insurance, and how can we find something affordable? So the first thing is you absolutely know, if you're watching this, it's important to buy life insurance. It doesn't matter if you make a high income or low income. If you or a loved one passes away without life insurance, you're going to leave all sorts of bills behind to people you love. And that's going to be in the form of burial expenses or cremation. You might have debts that you leave behind that now your survivors are responsible for. And then if you're younger, you lose money that you would have otherwise made to allow your family to have somewhat of a nice life. So where's that money going to come from now? You're dead and gone. Now we got to come up with it some other way. And so life insurance plays the role of replacing the income you otherwise would have earned, as well as to pay for those definite expenses that all of us have to face when we ultimately die, like burial and cremation costs and those kind of things. So the key factor that most people I deal with, as I deal mostly with people who are on a fixed income, close to or at retirement, or maybe even disabled, all of them understand the importance of life insurance, but they understand as well that if they spend too much, it doesn't matter how great the policy is, they lose it, right? They can't keep it because they've got other bills, and it's very tough. So what's the solution? Well, what I recommend to all people on a fixed income, working, or on a low income and working, and wants to get a affordable policy that does the job, is talk to a broker that will shop the companies and carriers for you to get you the best and lowest price available. This is so important. The worst thing you can do is walk into the nearest life insurance agency or maybe your auto insurance company and say, hey, do you sell life insurance? I need a policy. And while that may seem like a sensible idea, the problem with that is that a lot of these companies don't necessarily have the best competitiveness and premiums, and they don't give you the best coverage amount for whatever it is that you ultimately can afford. So at the end of the day, if God forbid something does happen, you aren't necessarily leaving the maximal amount to your family and most effectively solving the problems of what happens when the money you make is gone as long as you. So the solution is work with a broker like us at Buy Life Insurance for Burial. What we do for our clients is we take their health history information, we take their goals and their budget, and shop the most competitive carriers that the client may qualify for, and then come back with several offers that you get to choose so that you can determine for yourself, that's the company I want to work with. That price is great. I feel really good that I'm going to be able to keep this, and it's going to accomplish my goals, and I'm getting a good value. Ultimately, that's the goal that we want to all accomplish for all of us. And if you're on a fixed income or low income, this is something that we can definitely help you with. So here's what you need to do next. If you're interested in getting an affordable quote for life insurance, there's really two things you can do. You can go to my website. It's buylifeinsuranceforburial.com. You can send a message or give us a call, or like I said, just call us. You'll either reach myself or my team, and we'll be more than happy to run a 5 to 10 minute no obligation quote to see what you may qualify for, so you can determine if it makes sense. If it does, great. If not, no problem. The number to call is 888-626-0439. And again, leave a message if you don't reach us. We'll call you right back. Again, 888-626-0439. This is David Duford at Buy Life Insurance for Burial. I hope you got some value and some education out of this video. Thanks for watching.